Yo. It's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor Alonzo Hall, and I've returned today with another ADH wealth solution. Today, I want to talk about what it says here. Picture me rolling in my 500 Benz, the prudent investor, right? So, let's take a look. I'm looking for the email that I got because I also use a robo-advisor with my extra cash called Stash, and I'm trying to find the email here. Here it is. So Rite Aid, the corporation, is going bankrupt, and that's something that you, as a consumer, should know. So this is the type of stuff that you want to look out for as an investor. So here, as you see, it says corporate action event document, right? So it says the case. It's filed 10/31/23, right? And it says debtor, Rite Aid Corporation, right? There's their EIN, their employer identification number, right? United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of New Jersey. Date, cases filed, right? And there's another joint case, and they're filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Now, why am I getting this? Because as a shareholder or an investor, I am owed debt. Now, as a retail investor, I am the last in line to get paid, but if there's a class action lawsuit or a payout, you may be able to get pennies on the dollar for your stock. So this might be the time to sell any stock that you have of Rite Aid. Or, depending on your strategy, you may decide to hold on to it to decide to get the crux of maybe someone will buy Rite Aid Corporation, kind of like Dwayne Reed and Walgreens. If you're from New York, you're familiar with Dwayne Reed. But look, here is a list of a bunch of companies that are Rite Aid that are going out of business, obviously, because they're bankrupt. Number one, Dead Or, Rite Aid Corporation. You see here they got Superior, Advance, Apex Drugs, right? Design, Eckerd, if you're familiar with Eckerd in the southeast, Elixir, Genovese, Gettysburg, right? And then there are 6 pages or 3 pages of different locations of corporations, right? Special Realty Holdings. Wait, there's a holding company for real estate dealing with Rite Aid, and they're going bankrupt. Here, Laker Software, LLC. But they're also involved in drugs, meaning Rite Aid, meaning medicine. Let's see page 6, right? And again, so Tonic Procurement Solutions. So that's like a collections agency. Rite Aid Rome Distribution Center. So they also have control of their distribution. At any rate, this is just a quick peek into what you really need to be looking at when you're doing this thing called investing. Because all too often people say they're investing and they don't even know what the hell a prospectus is. So, at any rate, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be it for today. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description of this video. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, wipe ass, work in progress every day and see success. And remember, folks, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Salute.